Okay, so this video is going to be about modules and method injection. So we want to create a module. Let's see here. Here's main activity. I'm going to move this over a little bit. Okay, so right now we're getting, we have the car component, which injects our car. But let's say we want to add a module. And let's say, for example, we don't own these classes. So let's say we didn't own the wheels class, and this came from like a third-party library. And then let's also say wheels required rims and tires. So let's make those classes right now. We'll start with rims. And I'm going to add a comment here. Pretend we do not own this class. Okay. So there's rims, and then let's make one more for tires. Okay. All right, now let's pretend tires has a function called inflate tires. And all it does is log out let's see, inflating tires. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, there we go. So it's inflating the tires. Now wheels class, and it takes, let's see, rims and tires. There we go. So if we don't own these, that means we cannot inject them how we're doing right. Let's see. See, we're trying to inject a car, and to inject a car, we need to be able to inject wheels and engine. We know how to make Dagger knows how to make an engine because it's annotated with this, but what if we didn't own wheels? We're pretending we don't own wheels class right now. So Dagger does not know how to inject that. So we need to, first things first, let's make a module. We'll call it wheels module. All right. Okay. And we'll make a function. It'll be provide wheels. The name doesn't matter, but you want to follow that naming convention. Providers provide. And this video is about modules and providers. So, all right, here's this function, provides. What does it provide? Let's put a return type. Actually, yeah, we'll specify returns wheels, a new instance of wheels, but it needs rims and tires. So let's add those to the parameters. Okay, and we'll add that to the wheels constructor. Let's see, rims, tires. Okay, now Dagger just, first thing, let's annotate the module with module from Dagger, and then we're going to annotate the provides function with provides. Okay, now Dagger will provide the wheels. It knows how to provide the wheel, or it will provide the wheels, but it doesn't know how to provide these other two things that wheels needs, rims and tires. So we need to make two more provides functions. Function provide. Let's see, we'll do rims, and that provides an instance of rims. And then we'll do one more. Provide tires. Now, we want to configure the tires. We want to inflate them before returning them. So we'll create a variable. It will be tires instance, and then let's call tires.inflate tires, and then we'll return this tires variable that's been configured. We've inflated the tires. So now Dagger knows how to provide wheels because it knows how to provide rims right here, and it knows how to provide tires right here. So we are good to go with the module. Now we need to add this module to our car component. Go over here to the component annotation, add parentheses, and then modules. We're going to pass in an array, wheels, module, and then we're going to pass the class. All right, and there we go. That is it. Let's walk through this one more time. So main activity, we're injecting a car. We're doing that with component.inject. Let's go to the car component. Okay, the car component has a wheels module and has this get car function, inject, the main activity where it's called from. And in this wheels module, we've 3 providers. This is the one car needs. Dagger needs this one, so it knows how to make a car. And then Dagger needs these 2, so it knows how to provide wheels. So you can kind of in your head visualize this dependency graph. Let me open up Logcat. Okay, let me go ahead and run this. Yeah, looking up some, let's see. Oh, and there we go. You see it ran. And you can see here in Logcat, no problem. So one more thing to add here. You can see it ran just as we expected. Inflates the tires, sets that listener on filling up car from the previous video, and then drive, vroom. Okay, let's stop that. Now, whenever possible, you want to use Jvm Static and that's for performance reasons. So on these provides functions, we're going to add Jvm Static to each of them. But you see we get an error. What does it say? Only members in named objects and companion objects can be annotated with Jvm Static. So we're going to change this to an object rather than a class. And there we go. Let's go ahead and run it again. Let me delete this. The logs. Okay, there we go. And there we go. You can see it ran perfectly. So this is, you want to do it like that for performance reasons. So I'm going to add this to, let me stop this. I'm going to add this to GitHub, and you can check out the solution. Added wheels module. Okay. All right, so it is on GitHub now. So if you want to check it out, go ahead. The link is in the description for the GitHub, and like and subscribe. See you in the next video.